నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నాంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. ఇక ఈరోజు టమాటా అందాల మాట ఏంటో చూద్దాం. టమాటాలో ఉండే బీటా కెరోటిన్, ల్యూటిన్, విటమిన్ ఇ, సి, లైకోపిన్ సౌందర్య పోషణకు ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడతాయి.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mangathrai Neeraj. Mangathrai Neeraj, as you know, is a very premium brand. We have very exclusive jewelry. We have jewelry that's created from the scratch. We look at customer point of view, choose chestuna every jewelry piece, and we're not people who buy wholesale or do something. We create something new always. So today I'm here to explain layered jewelry, how you should select pieces in a layered jewelry when you're wearing 3 pieces or when you're wearing 2 pieces. I'm going to speak about that and show you more jewelry and how you should style them. Let me start with my first set of jewelry. I'm really excited to show this jewelry here today. This is a very traditional mango mala. I think everyone has, a lot of people, it's like a must have mango mala. It will be used for a long time. It will not go out of fashion. It will be very usable. Ikkada manchi kotta rubies use chesina and pedda uncuts use chesi piece chesina ee long kuda veskochu. Kavalante meeku ikkada short laga utti oka piece veskunte meeru itla kuda veskochu. Sari meeda chaala baaguntadi edaina color meeda. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఒక నెక్లెస్ అండ్ ఒక మ్యాంగో మాల మ్యాచ్ చేసినాం. ఇక్కడ ఒక వన్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఉండాలి. అన్ని పీసెస్ జాయిన్ చేసి పెడితే చాలా క్లమ్జీ కనపడుతుంది. ఇలాగా ఉండదు. ఇట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి లైక్ దిస్. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి మోర్ లైక్ దిస్. గ్యాప్ ఉంటే మీకు 2 పీసెస్ మంచిగా కనపడుతుంది. అండ్ మీరు ఇలాగ పీసెస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడే ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీరు చూడాలి విడిగా వేసుకుంటే ఎట్లా కనపడుతుంది పీస్. సో ఇప్పుడు మీకు చూపిస్తా. ఇక్కడ ఈ లుక్ చూసిన మీరు ఈ మ్యాంగో మాల తీసేస్తే మీకు ఒక నెక్లెస్ లుక్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. మీరు ఈ నెక్లెస్ వేరే చిన్న ఫంక్షన్స్లో వేసుకోవచ్చు. తర్వాత ఒక వెడ్డింగ్ తర్వాత మీరు ఈ హౌస్ ఫంక్షన్స్లో, చిన్న హౌస్ ఫంక్షన్స్లో వేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే పెద్ద పీసెస్ తీసుకుంటే మీకు యూజ్ అవ్వదు. సో ఇలాగా 2-3 పీసెస్ కొనుక్కుంటే మీకు మంచి యూజ్ అవుతుంది పీసెస్. వెనెవర్ యూఆర్ వేరింగ్ జ్యువెలరీ మీరు ఫస్ట్ పెద్ద హారం వేసుకోవాలి, తర్వాత సెకండ్ పీస్ వేసుకోవాలి. బికాస్ పెద్ద హారం అడ్జస్ట్ so for it to adjust, it has to first come first and then the second piece has to come. So I will show you now the second combination, the choker haram combination. Ilaga choker haram combination iskunte inta gap will not, so much gap between the choker and the haram will never look nice. It has to be shorter, so we have to always take a shorter length when you're taking a choker haram combination. Chudandi, when I have reduced the length, the look of the piece has come out so much more. The gap should not be more, it should neither be less. If I stick the piece like this also, it will not look nice. If it's too much also, it will not look nice. Combination lo koncham sari guda kanpiyali. The dress you are wearing, that color also should come out, because without that jewelry will not look nice. If you keep only jewelry connection, it will look very clumsy and it will not look nice. Now I have left a gap between all the 3 pieces. I have first put the haram, then the necklace, then the choker. Then I have pulled them together, maintained the distance in the other direction. First the choker, then the haram, and then the necklace and then the haram. So now if you see, you have seen all the 3 pieces separately also. All the pieces can be worn in separate occasions separately. Also, it's very important to decide a earring. So I have chosen a jhumka for this necklace. Why have I chosen a jhumka? I will explain that. While styling, it's very important that what kind of earring you select. See, you have to buy a earring that matches all the 3 sets. if you buy a earring that matches one set, it will not look nice with the other, and when you're wearing it separately, you have to buy another earring for it. So when you see this earring, when I wear it with this choker, this earring with this choker will look very pretty. You can, you know, also wear the earrings separately. If you wear it with this necklace, it will also look very pretty. So choosing a earring that matches the choker, the necklace and the harem is very important. It should be, there should be some or the other element that is matching this.
చూసారుగా కొత్తదనం. ఇక జిడ్డు చర్మత్వం ఉన్నవారు టమాటా ముక్కతో ముఖమంతా మర్దన చేసి పావు గంట పాటు ఆరనివ్వాలి. తర్వాత చన్నీటితో శుభ్రం చేసుకోవాలి. ఇలా చేస్తే ముఖం జిడ్డు లేకుండా మెరుస్తూ ఉంటుంది. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు నవ్య కార్యక్రమంలో చిన్న విరామం తీసుకుందాం. విరామం తర్వాత కార్యక్రమానికి తిరిగి స్వాగతం. ఇక ఎండలో తిరగడం, ఎక్కువసేపు మేకప్ ఉంచుకోవడం వల్ల ఒక్కోసారి ముఖమంతా దురదగా ఉంటుంది. అలాంటప్పుడు టమాటా, దోస రసాలను సమపాళ్లలో కలిపి ముఖానికి పట్టించి పావుగంట తర్వాత చన్నీళ్లతో కడిగేసుకోవాలి. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hello guys, welcome to Stree. Myself Dibyani Mishra, chief designer at Stree. Today I'm going to represent few handcrafted sari from our brand. Okay, the first sari is a satin silk sari which is beautifully machine embroidered as well as highlighted with intricate hand embroidery. We have used very fine silver beads and sequins in this sari. This sari took us like 2 months to finish completely, and it can be paired with a beautiful handcrafted blouse, and you know, early 20s to early 30s people can wear it to a cocktail party. Coming to the second sari, the sari is of organza tissue fabric, and the sari is beautifully machine embroidered and intricately handcrafted with you know, hand embroidery, and it has a beautiful cut work at the end, like it highlights the edge of the sari. You can see the beautiful pastel colors that we have used for this sari, which gives a very elegant and chic look to the sari. And people from early 20s to late 20s can wear it to any cocktail parties. As you can see, it's a beautiful dusty rose pink color. This sari is of silk, and the sari is intricately handcrafted again with machine embroidery and very fine beads. It's highlighted with very fine golden beads. The sari has a ethnic look, yet it's quite edgy. So, and it is also detailed with tassels, as you can see. You can pair this sari with you know, some ethnic blouse to some traditional parties. And you can, you know, like late 20s to early 30s people can pair it off with good blouses to certain kind of parties. This sari also took us like around 1 month to get, you know, completely finished the sari. Moving on to the next sari, which is a beautiful Kashmiri sari. You can see the intricate Kashmiri stitch on this sari, which is further highlighted with, you know, beads, kardanas to further enhance the look of the entire sari. And this sari also took us like 1 month to get it completely finished. This sari has 2 design elements, which is a bota thing, which is going all over the sari, and it has a beautiful border, which further enhances the entire look of the sari. Body has stripes pattern going on all over the, you know, entire sari. So the pallu is like this, which is further detailed with, you know, tassels attached at the hemline of the sari. And we have also highlighted the sari, you know, with contrasting colors to give it an edgy look. The next sari is a Kashmiri sari, which is in a beautiful green color. It has floral motif in, you know, multicolors, and it's a georgette based sari. So though it's a floral motif, we have, you know, highlighted the sari in such a way that it gives a very classy and edgy look to the sari. As you can see, we have used different materials for different motif. Each and every motif is looking different from each other, but it's complementing the whole entire look of the sari. It looks very heavy when you see, and you know, you look at the work, it looks very heavy because it's quite intricate. But when you drape it, it just drapes very nicely. You can drape it very nicely. You know, the drapeability of the sari is very nice because it's a georgette based. You can pair it off with a very classy, slick, sleeveless blouse, you know, which can balance the entire look. And of course, this sari took us like almost around 2 months to get it entirely hand embroidered. Early 20s to, you know, late 40s, anyone can wear the sari. You know, the sari will complement the entire, you know, crowd. So you have to just pair it up with a very nice blouse, and it will, you know, complement the entire look, and it will give an edgy look.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్స్. ఇక కారణాలు ఏవైనా ఒక్కోసారి ముఖ చర్మం నిర్జీవంగా మారుతుంది. అలాంటప్పుడు టమాటా రసంలో గంధం, పసుపు కలిపి పేస్ట్లా చేసి ముఖానికి రాయాలి. గట్టిపడిన తర్వాత చన్నీళ్లతో కడిగేస్తే ముఖం మెరుస్తూ ఉంటుంది.